Austin Ryan, from the day we met, I knew I loved you. You accepted me for who I was, and you saw the broken girl who thought she was unlovable and put those pieces of my heart together. You made me feel something I'd never felt before, and I'll forever be grateful to be chosen by you. You're my person, my soulmate, and my shoulder to cry on. I cannot promise you that there will not be dark clouds and storms, but I can promise you that I'll be there when the sun shines again.
We're here, honey. What a beautiful life and story we have together. Caitlin, something changed in me the night we met. I knew God put you in my life. From the timing to preparing me for you, I prayed over us in the very beginning, and I heard him say, she is the one son.
I promise to encourage you and always uplift you. I promise to forever be proud of you, and I promise I forever will support you in all you do and every crazy adventure you got us on. I promise to be right beside you, holding your hand for the rest of your days. I promise to always let the highs outweigh the lows, and I promise to pray over you and with you and grow our love for Christ together.
We haven't skipped a beat yet. You're my reason why and my purpose. You amaze me daily, and I love you more than everything. I love you more every single day. I'm so blessed you and God chose me to be your partner, and I will never take you for granted. Thank you for taking a chance on me. You are so beautiful, kind, nurturing, and I cannot wait to be your husband.
I promise to always show you the grace that Jesus has repeatedly showered over me. I promise to keep my heart committed to you, and I promise to be the best partner I can. I promise to keep our home joyful and fun and our safe place to land at the end of the day, and I promise to say sorry even when it's really hard to. I promise to cherish you, and I promise to be your best friend, and I promise to love you no matter what happens to us from now until the end. I want you to know that I am certain of you. If I could be anything in the world, I would choose to be yours.
I will spend forever trying my best to be the man you deserve. I vow to be your peace, your comfort, and your best friend. I vow to love you, hold you, and protect you through everything in this life. I'm forever yours.